all of you. First instruction, let me give it very clearly. All my Adinavasis, Gurukul Balasans, Kailasavasis, Brahmacharis, Brahmacharinis, Sannyasis, Sannyasinis, Sovereign Order of Kailas, all of you. If you are in India, want to save your parents, family members, extended families, quickly, as early as possible, get them to our campuses where we are able to provide multi-layer quarantine facilities. I already listed out the ashrams. Hyderabad we can provide, Biddi we can provide, Salem we can provide, Tiruvannamalai we can provide, Pattanam, Rasipuram, Rajapalayam, Madurai SSJP, we can provide in all these places. Come and quarantine yourself. Somebody is asking, Leo Vishwa is asking, for how long period do we have planned for this quarantine, Swamiji? Please understand, I do not know the timing exactly. If the corona settles down, people can leave. Even in between, somebody want to leave, we will not stop. You are free. You can leave. But if you want to come back, you need to come back with the corona negative certificate. Only then we will allow you inside. Prove you are corona negative, then we will allow you inside. And after coming inside the campus, there will be one quarantine layer where you will not be mixing with the main, all the Kailasavasis or Adinavasis living. You will be in a separated building for a few days. Then after that, you can come and be the whole campus, all around, anywhere you want. We are extremely sincere in protecting people. I am not interested in any brand building. Crisis is not the time to do brand building. This is the time to save people and be honest. I failed? Yes, I failed. I should have told this to Jnanatma. So now, I don't want to cover up my failure and put many of your parents in risk. How I protected my mother, I feel same way responsible for all of your parents and family members. If you are in India, get them to any one of our campus in multi-layer quarantine, we will protect. Second, all the Sarvanyapeta Ejamans, Kartas, SJPs, Kartas and SJP Ejamans, all of you please listen. If you have parents, family, extended family in India who will listen to you, please get them to any one of our campus. They may have money, but they will not be able to protect themselves. I am telling you. Don't think, oh, high elite society and they are living in a very large property. We have a lot of money. They can be protected. No. Nobody follows law in India. Nobody follows the quarantine rules in India. My ashrams are literally run by me like autocratic. During the crisis, you need to be under a compassionate, autocratic leader to be protected. Understand, in my campus, no one will open the door, open the gate, even by mistake, they will not allow corona inside. But where your family and parents may be living, that kind of a strict protection may not be available and they themselves will not be protecting themselves. There will be a lot of blind spots. So the second instruction I am giving, all the SJP Yajamans, Kartas, SJP manifestors, if you have parents, family, anyone in India whom you need to protect and who listens to you, immediately get them to our campus. I will make sure they are not only accommodated, protected comfortably with the best care. Especially the properties like a Salem and Bidadi and all, we have a best infrastructure. This is second instruction. Please, all the SJP Yajamans, Kartas, manifestors, note this as my personal instruction to you. Because I don't want to miss how I missed giving instruction to Jnanatma. I don't want to do this blind spot mistake now again. Then next, all the devotees, disciples, whoever listens to me, whom I don't need to convince. If I just give instruction, they will listen to me. All that kind of devotees, disciples, now itself, please listen. This is a personal message I am giving it to you all. Devi has very clearly revealed to me, Purattasi month. Purattasi is something like a September, October in English calendar. Purattasi month, there is going to be a third wave. Worst third wave. And listen, I saw in the vision, I am putting it on record, dead bodies thickly floating on Ganga. Not just Ganga river alone. There are 4 rivers coming from Kailasa. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, there is I think one more river. In all that rivers, the dead bodies floating. Dogs eating those dead bodies. And dogs dying because they ate the dead bodies of corona people. And the poor people who don't have food, eating those dogs' dead bodies because they don't have food and dying. I saw this whole cycle. So please understand, I am not constipated conspiracy theorist. I am not positive thinking bakwas. I see the reality as it is and reveal it to you all as it is. So as per English calendar, the Purattasi is like August and September this year. So with my absolute honesty to Kalabhairava, my integrity to Kalabhairava, I am telling you, anyone who listens to me, take this as a personal message. Go and settle down in any one of Kailasas till this corona settles down. Once this corona settles down, you can leave. Even if you feel corona has settled down, you want to leave, you can leave any day you want. And if you want to come back again for more quarantine, for example, you left thinking corona has settled down, but after going to your place, you found out it is not settled. Still, There is a danger. You want to come back? You can come back, but with corona negative certificate. Any day you want, you can come back. Only with the corona negative certificate. And we will do the quarantine and accept you back. You can be there as many days as possible. It is a pure compassion service I am providing. And Gauri Bharatananda is asking, folks who had corona in the past and now corona negative, is it okay for them to come? Yes. If you are corona negative now, that is enough. You are free to come. Please come and stay. Actually, if you already had corona, don't miss, simply come, because your body won't be able to handle second corona. Second attack of corona, your body won't be able to handle. Better come and quarantine yourself. You don't take chance. That's one. And I am also seeing a question from Prabhakaran. Prabhakaran NS. He says, can we come to ashram and continue work from home there for office, or we should quit the office even if it is work from home? Prabhakaran, please be very clear. You are free to do work from home. I am not calling you to work for me. I am not interested in asking you to work for me. I am interested in protecting your life. Understand? I am only interested in keeping you alive. Anyone who is working from home for your office, you can continue to do the same inside the campus, inside our ashram. Only thing, you cannot go out. If you go out, you need to have corona negative certificate to come in. That's all I am saying. And it's absolutely compassionate, pure love service. And Adinavasis are separate, their lifestyle routine is separate, and these people who came for corona quarantine, their life is separate. I expect you not to break the moral fabric, the spiritual fabric of the ashram. That I expect from you. But I am not expecting you to work for the ashram and not to work for your office. No. You can continue your work for your office, for your life. As long as you don't need to go out, you can work from your office. There are some questions about the vaccination. Jay Gauri Giridharan is asking, some people who are vaccinated are also still at risk. Some people who are... I do not have any opinion about vaccination. I am not a doctor and I don't want to comment about it. I want to end this. That's it. No comments about vaccination. And next instruction. There are some people already making fun, making comment, oh, using this corona opportunity is trying to gather Adinavasis. Be very clear. Anyone who feels by coming and quarantining yourself, protective, preventive quarantine in our campus, you are doing a favor to me. I request you, please don't come. Please don't come. If you are a hypocrite, cunning, this multi-layered, psycho-mental, culinary, gang, don't even think of coming. And I am not interested in you. But just because you guys abuse me, harass me, I won't stop protecting my people. I won't stop serving my people. I will continue to serve, protect my people. Because this is my honesty to Kalabhairava. And I also wanted to make it very clear. Neither I will charge anyone for anything for this corona preventive protective quarantine. Nothing will be charged. Second, nor I will ask for any donation for this purpose. I am making it very clear. Kalabhairava has given me enough already. With that, I will give everything. Whatever I can give, I will provide everything. Karthik Pushparaj is asking a question. Can non-devotees be allowed to stay? Pushparaj question. Nityanandam Swamiji, can non-devotees also can be allowed to stay in our Adhinam if they have not done any Guru Droha or any kind of Guru abusal? Yes. Please understand, anyone who has not done Guru Droha or Guru abusal or Sangha Droha are welcome. We will accommodate you. We only expect, don't break the basic fabric of the Sangha. We don't expect anything else. We will provide accommodation and free quarantine, free protective, preventive quarantine from and save yourself from the COVID. That's all. We will provide best Ayurvedic food, Ayurvedic medical health care, even the Siddha health care, everything. Best we can, we will provide. Whatever accommodation we have, we will provide. And the spiritual ambience and spiritual protection, including internet. Whoever wants to work from ashram, for your office also, you can continue be working. We don't have any problem. I am not expecting you to work for the Sangha when you are in quarantine. I am only interested in protecting you. And if you want to do some work like a voluntary service, cleaning up the place you are staying and supporting the temple and all that, you are free to do. And what work we have in our ashrams? Nothing. No ashram we have any work. Only we are running temples. And libraries are there and this kind of a spiritual activity only. What else is there?